Hello everyone, this is Clematis de Leon. I'm going to show you how to help this clematis to rebloom again. So the first cycle this summer it's finished. So what we're gonna do is we have to remove the seed heads. This one here is the spent flowers. Look, they're coming off, they're falling. The petals are falling, and so these they call it seed head. So you can just remove it just like so. In every seed heads you see, that's easy. You look, see, there we go. A lot of them I already removed. You see this branch here, that's where the seed heads came off that I removed. And yeah, we're just waiting for the second flush of this summer again. So this is another seed heads that we're gonna remove. There we go.